So lie down on the floor and relax. Pause for a moment. Tune in. Slowly draw up your knees into semi-supine position with your feet planted on the floor and adjust yourself so you're comfortable. Starting with arch and flatten. Let's begin with flattening first. So tucking the tail under, pressing the small of the back into the floor, tightening the belly, and then slowly release. And then go through into arch, rolling the pelvis forward, arching the back and drawing the whole spine down. Slowly release. And come to rest. So now we're going to combine, add to this movement or build on this movement. So flattening your back, and now hold it there, just breathing softly. Roll one shoulder slightly up and forward so that the shoulder comes off the floor. Whole arm turns, elbow and hand. And feel the tightening. It's in your belly, it's in your chest, and it's in the front of your shoulder. And now release from the center, from your belly, all the way up the center line and out along the collarbone to the shoulder. Now have a little pause to give those muscles at the front of your shoulder time to reset. Let's do the other side. So dropping your back, flattening your back, roll the other shoulder slightly up and then forward so it comes off the floor. Feel the contraction, slowly release from the center. And let everything go. Let's now do both together. So flattening the back first and then rolling both shoulders up and forward as if they're being drawn down, and feel how that lifts your chin, closing the back of the neck. And now release from your center. And let everything rest and relax. Let's add to this one more step. So as you flatten the back this time, also draw the knees towards each other, tightening the inside of the thighs, rolling onto the inside of the feet, and then combine this with the shoulders. So here you have your full red light reflex pattern, a tightening of the front of the body, and now slowly release and let everything go. Pause and notice any changes. So let's go now the opposite way, arching your back and rolling the shoulder back. Arch your back first and roll one shoulder back and also down. So if you move your elbow so it slides down, your shoulder blade will slide down. And then release from the center of your back, listening out for any jumps and jerks. And then let's do that on the other side, arching your back, rolling the other shoulder back and sliding the shoulder blade down towards the small of your back, and then release from the center of your back until the arm just comes to rest. Combine both together. First of all, arching your back, rolling your pelvis forward, and then drawing both shoulders back and down. And see how that makes your chin drop down. And then slowly release and come to rest. And now we'll add opening the knees as you roll the pelvis forward, as you roll the shoulders back. And here is your full green light pattern, a contraction of the back of the body. Slowly release and come to rest. So this movement we call the flower, the closing of the front of the body, rolling the shoulders forward, drawing the knees towards each other, and lifting the chin. That's the closed flower or the flower bud. And then releasing from that and coming into the open flower, arching the back, opening the knees, drawing the shoulders back, dropping the chin. And then you can just go from one to the other, smoothing it out. And this is a way of resetting the muscles of the front of the body and the back of the body, all in one movement. When you're ready, lengthen out your legs and have another pause and notice any changes.